Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. How to use Vaseline and onion to grow hairs very fast. Today in this video, I will show you how to use Vaseline and onion to grow your hairs to seem further very fast. First of all, take a onion and extract onion juice. Boiling water, please like the video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks. Apply the mixture to the scalp and massage well in circular motion. Leave it on for 1 hour. Then wash your hair with shampoo or soap. For best result, apply twice in week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.